I'm not entirely sure what just happened. As you've probably seen, I have got the other half of my self-defense tools. So I got my torch, which was in my last video. And today I received my tactical pen. This thing is gnarly. I love it. Let's get a close-up. I got the pen from Go Gear Ever Ready, which are on eBay, and they are located in Brisbane, Queensland. This is the matte black stealth version of the pen, which is the B2-H. It features heavy duty diamond cut non-slip grip. The heavy duty manganese pen clip will stop it from falling out of your pocket or your gear. The shaft has an O-ring on it to help with water resistance, and it also makes for a smooth action when twisting the pen to expose the nib. On the end of the pen you have a heavy duty aluminium glass breaker, and it takes Parker refills, which are easy to find at the shops, which makes it really convenient. Now, I've said it before, it's a bit weird talking about self-defense and all that sort of stuff. Like I said, I'm not an expert at any of this by any means, but in the world that we live in today, and I know it still sounds crazy, but with the attack that happened on that old fellow with the dude with the knife, it just makes you wonder what kind of world we're starting to live in. And I just don't think it hurts to be prepared. Anything can happen. I mean, it might not happen in your front yard, but it could happen somewhere in the street. And I think the more knowledge that everyone has, the chances are going to be better for defending ourselves and each other. So, call me stupid, call me crazy, call me a prepper, call me whatever you want, but at least I'm going to have some form of tools that are going to help me defend myself if someone decides to go loco on my ass. And at the end of the day, I want to come home to my family. So that's the bottom line. So the torch from JCar, super bright, focusable beam, and my defense pen. I have changed the way I carry stuff, so this will be sitting in my pocket like this on the pocket flap with the button done up so it doesn't fall down, and out enough so that I can grab it with this hand, pull it out, and quick jabs. Cork the leg, cork the chest, back of the neck if they're keeled over. There's even that pen tipped there without the nib out, that's still going to cause some pain. And people are going to seriously reassess their situation when they've got this thing wielded on them. So, yeah. Pretty crazy shit. Until next time, people, please like, give it the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'm going to try and make these videos a little bit more bubbly because I'm just taking a little bit too serious and I don't want to do that. So now's when you hit subscribe.